Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can set up a recurring supplier invoice on accounting. To be able to create a recurring supplier invoice, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Bills. From here, we have a second tab called Recurring Templates. And click on New Recurring Bill. Add vendor. Either we can create a new vendor or select from the list of our suppliers. So in my case, I have phone limited. Bill date and invoice number will be automatically generated. Payment due. Select from drop-down list how many days the supplier gives us to pay to them. And we can add an order number if we have one, otherwise leave blank. Add an item. So I have phone bill, £10. If you have multiple lines, click on add an item and you will be able to select or add a completely new item here. You can add a discount if supplier provides one, so this information matches with supplier invoice, and we can change a currency here as well. Add any notes, otherwise leave blank, and schedule is the most important bit. Here we can say how often we want this invoice to be added on our accounting software system. So either daily, weekly, monthly, yearly or custom. In my case, this bill happens or will be issued to me monthly. I can select date when this bill should be issued or added in system. So I will say on 28 every month. And because I have taken contract on, I can select when this ends. Either it's end on particular date if I know when my contract date is, or I can select how many bills I will record on system. Also, if there is no ending date, select never. So in my case, I will select that it will end after 11 bills because for previous month bill has been added on system already. Under advanced, we can select categories. That's where expense will be recorded. So do I have phones and internet as a cost category? You can add an attachment, maybe contract, and click save. Okay, bill has been created. This is the schedule, and when invoices will be issued, they will come in a list here. So this is the way how you can create recurring supplier invoice on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.